Okay. Okay, I made it through everything, and the whole thing took about 2.5 hours. They found a lot of stuff that was going on in there that they couldn't see in the CAT scan, so it turns out that the rotator cuff was torn pretty good on the backside of it, so they couldn't see that with the CAT scan, and and I can't have an MRI, so they just couldn't see it. They had to wait till they got in there, and so they got that repaired, and then they moved on to the bicep muscle, and there's a whole bunch of names, that I can't pronounce if I had to, that they had to fix. Long story short, they got it all done. They had to the tendon that holds the one of the tendons that holds the bicep to the bone was ripped completely, and he said for the thickness of it was ripped, so it was just kind of hanging there. Excuse me. Oh man, that hurts. Don't cough or sneeze. Ugh. So they got that all fixed up, and they had to cut a big piece of it out because it was all frayed on the end of it, and so they put some screws in there. I think he said there was like 4 or 5 screws all around the inside. So it's going to be a while, I guess, before I'm able to use the arm. He told me 6 weeks with a sling minimum, and then I go start physical therapy in about 3 days. But I can't lift anything, I can't do anything with it. When I get over there to the physical therapy, it's called passive exercise, where he'll move my arm around, or he or she or whoever is going to do it. I won't be able to use the muscles at all myself, so they're going to do that for a while, and then gradually then they'll move into regular exercises, strength, building strength back up. Right now it's pretty weak, So anyway, yeah, I just want to do a real short update, let everybody know that I made it through. They gave me some pretty strong pills, makes me loopy, and oxycodone of all things. I can't have Tylenol, so they had to give me the oxycodone, and like I've said before, I'm not one to use pain pills much. I don't, only if I absolutely have to have them. So, and I absolutely have to have them. I didn't sleep the first night at all. I just kind of sat there and staring off into space. You know how it goes. And I apologize for the audio. I left it on the last time I had the camera on. I left the wireless mic on, so now the battery's dead. So I didn't feel like go try to find another battery for it. So if you can hear me, great. If not, well, what can I say? Read lips. So yeah, I think that's about it. Just a quick update. That's all I wanted to do, and so we'll get this all fixed up, and then should be good to go in about 20 weeks, he said. So all right, I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.